In the wild, we trust our survival to clever technology, like the lightweight survival stove. It boils water in minutes, a marvel of efficiency. But this tiny flame is fragile, utterly dependent on a single fuel source. When the canister runs dry, it's just cold metal. True survival isn't about gadgets. It's about resilience, especially in groups. During WWII, millions survived with heavy, versatile field kitchens, not fancy gear. These kitchens fed hundreds, provided safe water, and became the heart of every camp. They were built for dependability, not convenience. Their design holds lessons for anyone preparing for real adversity. Field kitchens were tough, adaptable, and could use whatever fuel was available. They offered warmth, food, and a sense of community in the harshest conditions. Survival isn't always about travelling light. It's about building a foundation for a group to endure. We'll explore the forgotten wisdom of these wartime kitchens. Discover how they kept armies healthy, fed, and hopeful. These are timeless survival principles, more relevant now than ever. Our focus isn't on recipes, but on the principles that made wartime kitchens so effective. Modern survival often overlooks these group-based strategies. The first lesson: fuel flexibility. WWII kitchens burned wood, coal, diesel, whatever was at hand. Relying on a single resource is risky. Adaptability is key. Second, these kitchens were centres of public health. They sterilised water, enforced hygiene, and prevented deadly outbreaks. Preventing illness was as important as treating it. Third, the psychological impact. A hot meal meant order and community. In crisis, food is more than calories, it's hope. These communal systems built resilience and morale. We'll see how these lessons apply to any modern crisis. Picture a hiker with a fancy stove, but no fuel, surrounded by wood, yet unable to cook. WWII field kitchens avoided this trap by burning any available fuel. The German goulash cannon could use wood, coal, or scavenged materials. Fuel flexibility was their greatest strength. Modern preppers should learn from this. Don't rely on one fuel or one stove. Build redundancy, have a rocket stove, a multi-fuel stove, and know how to cook over open fire. WWII kitchens operated anywhere, forest, city, or industrial zone. Auxiliary burners ran on liquid fuels, adding more options. The lesson: resilience comes from options, not just lightweight gear. Practice with different fuels and systems. Supplement modern tech with adaptable old-school methods. True readiness is about capability when your gear fails. Disease claimed more soldiers than bullets. WWII field kitchens were sanitation hubs, boiling water, cleaning utensils, enforcing hygiene. Centralized water boiling kept everyone safe from waterborne illness. Group cleaning routines killed germs and prevented outbreaks. In survival, a dedicated kitchen zone for boiling water and cleaning is vital. Good health is a team effort. Discipline and hygiene matter more than medicine. The field kitchen's greatest secret: group sanitation saves lives. Survival is as much mental as physical. The field kitchen was a source of comfort and morale. Hot meals at regular times brought order to chaos. Soldiers found hope in a cup of stew or coffee. The goulash cannon was a symbol of relief and reliability. Shared meals built bonds, turning individuals into a unit. Eating together fostered trust and resilience. Modern preppers miss this by eating alone. Plan for communal cooking and eating. It's essential for group survival. Feed the spirit as well as the body. Despite modern rations, armies still use large centralized kitchens. MREs are for short-term, mobile use. Field kitchens are for real endurance. Central kitchens are efficient, sanitary, and boost morale. Cooking for hundreds in one place saves resources and builds community. The military's choice is clear. Communal kitchens work. For long-term crises, follow their lead. Individual gear is for brief emergencies. Group kitchens are for lasting survival. The heart of any resilient group is a well-organized kitchen. The key lesson: shift from individual survival to community resilience. Logistics and systems matter more than gadgets. Study history. Learn from those who survived real crises. Focus on water, warmth, sanitation, and community. Build adaptable systems. Don't rely on a single point of failure. Practice with multiple cooking and water purification methods. Value community. Start building connections now. Plan and practice together. Share skills and resources. Test your systems with communal meals. The strongest survival tool is a group that works together. Resilience is built on trust and cooperation. Survival is a team effort. If you enjoyed these survival secrets, hit subscribe for more timeless wisdom and prepping tips. Stay prepared. Stay inspired. We started with the fragile modern stove, but found wisdom in the WWII field kitchen. Fuel flexibility, sanitation, and communal meals are the real secrets. Armies choose group kitchens for a reason. Long-term survival is about teamwork. The lone wolf may last a week. A community can endure a season. Ask: how adaptable is your plan? How will you keep your group healthy and hopeful? The answers lie in knowledge, practice and connection, not gear. True resilience is a system, a mindset, and a community. In shared warmth and collective wisdom, we find our greatest strength.